Hello friends, warm greetings from Eglavi Academy. Today we are going to see the next 5 important questions in higher education. Question 1. Which state has started Ek Mask Anek Zindagi awareness campaign? Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh. The right answer is Madhya Pradesh. Explanation for this question is Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji has appealed to the people to wear the mask and follow the social distancing. Following the Prime Minister's appeal, a public awareness campaign called Ek Mask Anek Zindagi, which means one mask many lives, will be conducted in many districts of Madhya Pradesh. Then question 2. Which ministry has received Scotch Award for Empowerment of Tribals through IT-enabled scholarship scheme? Foreign Affairs, Finance, Defense, Tribals. The right answer is Tribals. Explanation for this question is the 66th Scotch 2020 competition was held with name India Response to COVID through Digital Governance. The Scotch Gold Award has been awarded to Ministry of Tribal Affairs for its project. The project was launched to show the Government of India's commitment to realize the dreams of Digital India and bringing the transparency as well as in ease of delivering the services. Then third question, which district has topped the list of aspirational districts ranked by government think tank Niti Aayog for the February to June 2020 period? Bijapur, Riboi, Moha, Nawada. The right answer is Bijapur. The Bijapur district in Chhattisgarh has topped the list of aspirational districts ranked by government think tank Niti Aayog for the period February to June 2020. The next question is arrange the districts according to the ranking in think tank Niti Aayog for the February to June 2020 period. Bijapur, Berej, Nawada, Moha, Riboi. Riboi, Bijapur, Berej, Nawada, Moha. Moha, Bijapur, Berej, Nawada, Riboi. Bijapur, Riboi, Berej, Nawada, Moha. The right answer is Bijapur, Riboi, Berej, Nawada, Moha. Explanation for this question is Bijapur district in Chhattisgarh has topped the list. Then Riboi, which is located in Meghalaya, secured the second place. Berej, which is located in Uttar Pradesh, secured the third position. Then Nawada, which is located in Bihar, secured the fourth place, and Moha, which is located at Punjab, secured the fifth place. Next one is which of the following factors is taken into consideration for think tank Niti Aayog ranking? Health and nutrition, education, agriculture and water resources, financial inclusion, skill development and basic infrastructure. 1 and 2 only, 2, 3 and 4 only, 3, 4 and 5 only, all of the above. The right answer is all of the above. Explanation for this question is the Aspirational District Program launched in January 2018, which aims to transform the districts that have shown relatively lesser progress in key social areas and have emerged as packets of underdevelopment. Then health and nutrition, education, agriculture and water resources, financial inclusion, skill development and basic infrastructure were the development areas that were taken into consideration for ranking. Thank you friends. If you like my videos, please like, share and comment. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. For further updates, you can join in the Telegram group. The link for the Telegram group is provided in the video as well as in the description box. Kindly refer it. Thank you all.